In response to the protest launched by the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, the Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya, through its General Secretary Gerald S. Duya, clarified that while the agitation led to checks at certain entry points, it did not disrupt the overall experience of tourists who were still able to visit popular destinations. Duya explained that the objective of the protest by local taxi drivers was not to block visitors but to encourage them to utilize local transport services instead of outside operators. Stressing the need for cooperation, he appealed to all tourism stakeholders to come together for dialogue and to work collectively towards strengthening and developing the tourism sector in Meghalaya.
We have learned that there were no harassment or stopping of tourists. It was just an urge. It was just the drivers of the AKMTTA have just urged the tourists to take local services, but they have not stopped them from going to tourist spots. In the same light, in the same manner, we also as tour guides, if I recall correctly, in the month of June 2023 and in the month of July 2023 again, we've sent two letters. One to the CEO of Meghalaya H Limited, that we've seen that they've floated a tender for mapping various trekking routes, and the same thing we've sent a letter to the former CEM of KHEDC, basically to encourage taking services of local tour guides. Based on these matters, we feel like we are on the same light with the association who's fighting for their rights. We've been doing this for quite a long time, and we've not getting any support or any justification as such. We would like to come here also. It's not that we are against the government. We want to work together. We want to see that tourism thrives with local people. Like UNWTO says that each tourism activity should benefit the locals first. So I feel like after these meetings yesterday, we've come to a conclusion and come to a collaborative decision that we also want the same thing, the same manner, that all our tour guides to get the livelihoods to earn livelihoods from tour guiding in various tourist spots. Recently, we've also seen that there was an order or maybe a notice from the DC office that it is mandatory to take tour guides in each tourist spot, trekking spot. Sorry, this, as we have seen in the previous years, in the previous situations and incidences, just to mention here, there was a Hungarian tourist who went missing just because he used maps with the GPS. And we've seen his plans, we've seen the detailed plan, the itinerary that he planned. It was just basically an assumption of the trekking routes by using satellite images, which is very inaccurate. And considering the rough terrain, the rugged terrain of Meghalaya, the tropical forest of Meghalaya, unfortunately he got lost and he succumbed to his injuries. And coming back to the statement of the matter, we urge all government officials, tourist taxi drivers, tourism associations, tour operators, hoteliers, homestay owners, and so on and so forth, people who are directly benefiting from the tourism industry as well as people who are indirectly benefiting from the industry. We would like to call here for joining hands unitedly. Let us not come to conclusions first. Let us dig what is happening at the grassroots levels, how each of us are having problems, and collaboratively let's join hands and unite, and let's make tourism in Meghalaya great again. Thank you.